Do you like Oreos and do you like milkshakes? Well, then I got a treat for you, because today we're doing an Oreo cookies and cream milkshake. Let's get started. Like this. There we go. Oreos. Start with about 6 of these. We'll start with that. And save that for later. Got a little secret for you. We put some ice cream in here. Now there's a secret to making really good Oreo cookies and cream, and that is you want your shake to be extra crunchy. And how do you do that? You get crunchy Oreos mixed in with it. Now what you do is you place some in a bag so that you can crush them up. We're going to set that aside for now. We're going to go ahead and blend this up and make the shake. And then we're going to mix in the crunched Oreos. Let's go ahead and do that. As I mentioned earlier, if you want your Oreo cookies and cream shake to be crunchy, get a little bit of crunchiness, go ahead and take some Oreos and your little mallet, go ahead and mash them up. There. Now you've got chunky. I broke the bag. Let's put them in. Now this is an Oreo cookies and cream shake. Little chunks. Thanks for watching to the end of the video. And if you want to see more home cooked videos, hit the subscribe button. And I'll see you in the next one. See, this is how you do it, like this. Check out my other recipes. You're still here.